is there true value in kind of investing in land right now? Like I can't justify, like I can justify buying like an NFT, like a punk or something, but I can't
Yeah.
justify like buying the land. Like, how do you think about that?
Well, I think people are interested in buying the land because, obviously space where humans congregate is valuable, right? Like, so that's, they're drawing a parallel from the like on offline to the online, right? Like, so if land is like valuable in the offline world because it's, can be used for many different things. And like, you can have an apartment or like a building where it's like, or like a business or a church or gathering space or, there's all these different uses for land, right? Like, or it's can be productive for farming or whatever. Right. So like then, there's this question of like in the metaverse, is that going to be, there's an assumption that it's going to be, there's going to be many different productive uses for this land or that can turn it into like a valuable asset, right?